There is a lot of buzz around AI and its potential to replace humans. While I have my own opinions on that, one thing is certain, AI can definitely make our lives simpler. Today, I'm introducing you to our new assistant, an AI bot developed by my team. With a success rate of 91.3%, it's incredibly easy to use. It tells you exactly what to do. It's perfect even for beginners. Let's jump in quickly. I can't wait to show you how it works. My team and I designed the bot to give precise instructions on when and what pair to trade, predicting market movements accurately. It won't bombard you with constant reminders or unnecessary messages. Everything is straight to the point. Whether you follow our advice and try out or not is your choice. But let me tell you, it's like having a personal financial consultant, ready to help you at any time, and you just follow its instructions. I'm sure you realize how effective this potentially is. The best part is that access to our channel is currently free. Follow the link under this video in the first pinned post and join our community. Let's trade together with our advanced AI. We're waiting for you on the channel. Well, it's time to show it in action. Before the session starts, the bot sends me 4 main players. Let me add them to the screen. Today, let's start with 100. Our time frame is usual 1 minute, with candles set at 30 seconds each. We're all set now. Now we wait for directions from AI bot. If you have any questions about setting up the platform or need guidance, I'm always here to help, advise, or show you exactly what to do, down to what buttons to press. Meanwhile, we got the first message from the bot. Now it has started to analyze the first pair. Alright, the chart is open. Here goes. Let's check the player name carefully to avoid any mistakes. 100 is already in place and we have a message from the bot and it's telling us to go short. The bot analyzes a bunch of market movements. Its algorithms can analyze historical data on a trading pair for an entire month, every second, and compare it with the current market situation. This allows it to predict trends accurately. Then the bot sends us a notifications to go up or down. You just need to press the button and open the trade. The chart shows that buyers can break through the resistance levels, so the candle will go down. Our high-tech bot quickly analyzed the situation and made a logical forecast. And it turns out true. We're seeing it right now. And I'm getting the first results. A wonderful outcome, especially considering all the mental work was done by our AI. Gorgeous. New message from the bot. Let's follow the instructions. Let's move on. Here comes the message with the forecast from the bot. It suggests a downward movement. Okay, down it is. The coolest thing is that our bot is constantly developing and growing. The more we practice, the better it gets at technical analysis, which increases the accuracy of the forecasts. We have 7 trades with 1 session, taking about 70 minutes of your time. By participating in just 1 session, you can achieve significant results. If you have any questions about how our bot works, you can always message me on Telegram. Link in the description. Moving on. By the way, take a closer look at the chart. Bulls were moving up, but after reaching a new high, we received a strong response from the bears, pushing the candles back to the previous support level. 2 sessions in a row with our AI bot bringing us positive results. This proves the bot's effectiveness. Let me remind you that many new traders from my Telegram channel are already making their first successful steps in the market. Join our community to learn from the best. We're already 1,367 strong. That's not just about AI bot that thinks and analyzes faster than any human, but also a treasure trove of expertise, specialist knowledge, and a community of great people. Hit the link in the first comment to subscribe. Let's quickly move on to the next pair. So, the bot recommends that I turn my attention to Europe, Switzerland, and Norway currencies. We're heading for a landing. One more advantage of the bot is that you can start with small amount and gradually achieve significant results, minimizing risks and reducing the possibility of losses. By the way, the situation on this pair is quite similar to the previous 2, so we're watching a powerful movement of the red candle. Well, isn't this a completely different level? Honestly, I don't understand why some people are still afraid to try it. Okay, moving on now. As you can see, I fully trust the bot, and it now recommends trending down. Some may wonder, why did we choose this market? Can we use our bot anywhere else? For now, we're only using it here because in this market, the main thing is to correctly predict the direction of movement. And that easy for our Superbot that we spent 9 months developing. The closing was successful. Today's situation is quite stable. The bot also handles more volatile situations. You can witness that on our Telegram channel. It's really impressive. The bot is processing the chart again. So I see the bot has already sent me new instructions. I don't want to slow down, so let's move on. And the movement forecast is down. Imagine having hundreds of professional and experienced specialists as your advisors. How would you feel during the session? This is exactly what I feel when I rely on AI bot. It contains my personal experience, accumulated over time, plus all the knowledge and skills of experienced programmers and market experts. Do you understand the power behind this bot? It might seem that the session closed nearly the entry point, but we remember that in our business, success is determined by the correctly predicting movement of the pair, and that's exactly what the bot did for us. So I have 2,609 now. Do you remember where we started? Let's do a couple more final trades. So let's continue. Now I want to reduce the risks. Not that I don't trust the bot, but better safe than sorry. Oh, we're finally going up. We have a change. The balls are taking over. Our AI bot recognized these changes in time. Now let's see how the asset will behave. Currently, the chart's volatility is much higher, with powerful up and down impulses appearing one after another. However, AI has gained extensive experience in a volatile market, so I have no doubt about a good result. Yes, what did I say? Wonderful! And now the final trade. We're closing the session with the Swiss franc and the Norwegian krone. The bot says that I need to go up. I have no reason to argue with it. Why do I recommend everyone to participate in our open sessions with an AI bot? Firstly, it's much safer than doing it alone. Even safer than with mentors, as they are human after all, and humans make mistakes. Secondly, not only can you achieve great results, but also learn technical analysis from the bot. Third, it is the quickest way to level up your skills and keep growing with them every day. Everything closed successfully. Even with high volatility, I achieved a positive results. 7 trades out of 7. I'm confident everyone will be happy with similar results in such a short trading session. I think that's enough for today. Great job, everyone. You can start using the bot yourself and experience more successful sessions with our support and expertise. Get the bot and make over 700 per day. The link is below. Goodbye for now. See you in my next video.